Hey everyone, it's an Average Cuber, and today I'm going to be unboxing the X-Men Tornado V2. Let's jump straight into it. So the X-Men Tornado V2 came out quite a while ago, but I haven't really got the chance to unbox it until I was sent it by thescrambledcube.com. Sorry there, camera shake. So basically, I'll be unboxing it today and taking a look at its features, and in an upcoming video I may potentially be kinging it as my main. Let's get straight into it. Looks like might have to get out the knife here, or we could go with the mini scissors, but we'll go with the knife. There we go. Small incision, and we're rocking and rolling. Plastic, what a waste. But it's always fun to wrap. Okay. Nice. I don't like how they already put the sticker, or the sticker of the printing or whatever, on the case. So you see, I'll zoom in there, or bring closer. But other than that, it's fine. We'll take a look at the accessories first, though. Looks like it's slid to the side, so we'll just take out the side covering. Wait. See, that's the accessories box, that's the covering for it, and it slid to the side, so now it's like impossible to get out. Unless I pull this out. Here we go. So this is really cute as hell. And we're gonna pretend like this is a normal unboxing, although it definitely is not. So we're gonna pretend like we have it here, and we just unbox it. Wow. Unboxing, look, I do it every video. The box is already ripped, but besides that, let's open it. Keep the Cuban frame. We've got this nice Tornado V2 card with a whole bunch of Chinese and some English. I'll zoom out on that. You can read it if you like. And then X-Men Tornado V2. It's actually a nice card, really solid, so we'll put that over here. And then what do we have? We have from what I've heard, the best Cuba bag. It's like this plasticky fake leather. That's like one essence. It's pretty soft on the inside, but it's got the X-Men Tornado V2 logo, and it's just a generally great cute bag. We'll put that. This can go away. Put that up over here. How to frame you? How to frame. Next, we have what seems to be a cleaning cloth. Although I'm not totally sure that it is. But we'll open it up and see. Yes, it is a cleaning cloth. So if you remember, these came with the Volk Elite and probably some of the other Volks. And since Volk and Chi are like, Volk was a Chi product, you can expect to find them in a lot of Chi products. Alright, we'll put you. Put you right there. Put the cleaning cloth right there. Next we have the thick, and I mean thick, hope you can read Chinese, manual. I mean, just look at the thickness. I'll get this in frame in just a second. Look at that. I think it's massive. All the OLs, and then all the Chinese. We want all the Chinese. Every last bit of it. Okay, I'm being weird. We're just gonna chuck this to the side. Nobody needs that. And then we have like the star of the show, the changing tool. So this is used to like change different settings. We got a screwdriver, and then if I can do this, there we go. We have the tensioning tool. Let me zoom in on that. Get into focus, please. Tensioning tool. Looks to be a flathead screwdriver. Please focus, please. And then another regular screwdriver, which looks to be metal. Which is kind of weird. All the others look to be plastic. So we'll put that back. And then I have no clue what this is, if I'm being frankly honest. Oh, okay, so this tells us all the tensions, like the graph of what is what over here, how to change the cube, magnets, all that. My magnet strength graph right there. This thing's very long, by the way. And then everything, okay, everything in actual English over here. But we should be able to figure this out on our own. Alright, now, to the good part. Clear everything out of the way. Okay, I don't want that there. The cube. See, I bought the Chibi luckily way back when it was still pretty popular. And they had like these cases for it. I still have mine, I believe. And they're just annoying to open until like you get used to it. But here's the cube. So you can see it's wrapped in plastic, so we'll take care of that very shortly. This is my favorite part about unboxing cubes. So I'll go silent. Wow. Look at that. That will be the thumbnail for the video. I'm calling it. Alright. So, it's got pretty decent shades. Seems to be pretty looby on the outside. But I'll just hop into first turns. Magnets aren't that strong, but I kind of like it. Kind of reminds me of the R3M, but like it feels more or less more premium. So I don't really know if that would appeal to any of you guys, because I don't know if you're on a budget or if you're just trying to get a good cube or like you want something premium, but that's the feel of it. We'll go over quickly how to change the tensions, although I'm a novice to this, so there's that. So you'll take your tool. We'll go over the magnets first. You'll take out, wow, my hands are slippery from the lube, the flathead screwdriver portion of it. Stick that back in there. I'm gonna leave the end off just because we'll be using it soon, and stick this part in there. So now we have the flathead screwdriver, and we'll just take that right to the magnets when we get a close up. This is hard to do. And you just kind of twist. And that's how you change the magnets. So you kind of just stick it in there. Sorry if I'm not doing the best at explaining this. You stick it in there and you just twist. Now change the magnets. Now I'm going to fix the magnets to how I like them, and then I'll be right back with the tensions. Alright, I'm back and I've adjusted the magnets to how I like them. I really just put on the strongest setting. Now I'm going to take the cleaning cloth and just kind of like get the lube off the sides, because my hands were slipping a lot when I was testing whether I liked the magnets or not. That should be good. Yeah, much better. And now, I'm probably going to cut to a quick solve of me doing it. Doing it as in doing the cube. I don't know. My words, I'm stumbling with my words today, guys. But then I'll be back and I will go over the tensions. You know, screw it. I'm going over the tensions first. So you take your tool, take out the flathead piece, and you put in the, like, it's kind of like a whale tail, if you know what I'm saying. I wish this wasn't black. It really just doesn't help. There, you see the whale tail piece, and you stick that in, and then you'll take off the center cap, which I suck at this, by the way. There we go. These are really deep center caps, actually. I kind of like it because once you get under it, it makes it easier, but... And then you'll see there's little numbers on the inner and the outside. And when you turn it this way, it turns the outside. And when you turn it this way, it turns the inside, right? So that you can just adjust tensions to how you like them. And then to go back to how you had it, you just keep going around the same direction until you get back to that number, because it loops back on itself. If you understand what I mean. And then you just do that on all sides, put your center cap back on. Now I've heard you have to be very particular about how you put the center caps on. So I almost just did a no-no there. Yeah, it looks like there is two like little edge things on the corners, and you have to put it back a certain way. And then also indents on the side. So it should be good if I put it back this way. Right, yeah. You didn't catch that, so I'll do it again, but... So, let's see. Take the center cap out, and then you look for the little things on the sides. Those things on this side and that side. And you line them up with the two crevices. Wow, I've got to find them again now. And then you just push it in. And then your center cap's in. Alright, so now I'll cut to me doing a quick solve on the X-Men Tornado V2. And then we'll end the video there. Alrighty. Got my StatMech timer. Turn it on. Move this out of the way. Now, I'll warn you guys, I'm not a very fast solver. So this might take a little bit of time. I could usually solve around 20 seconds. And I do like to throw the cube at the end of the solve so that it's nowhere near the StatMech timer when I finish, so that I don't get like a +2. So there's that. And the last thing I'll warn you about is it'll probably be out of frame for most of it. That's just kind of how it is, but I'll try to keep it in frame as best as I can. So already scrambled, I see I can make an opposites cross with this piece and put that piece there, this piece there. Now executing that is not going to be the most fun, but I can try. Alright. Whoa, this feels weird. Alright, a 19.6 flat. So that was my first thought on the X-Men Tournament V2. What are my thoughts about it? It feels weird. It's kind of sandy, but I do like how strong I have the magnets set. I have them set all the way up to max. It just feels better that way. The tensions are kind of good how they are. I think they might go a little looser, but other than that, I don't really know what to say. It may become my main cube. I'll probably